Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we look at the creative section on the TikTok ads platform, how you can make use of that. So once you log into your TikTok account and you go to the tools section and the creative section, there are three major sections here. First is creative library. So this is where you can upload all your creatives, which can be images, videos. Those you can upload over here in this particular manner. And the other option which you get here is going to be the create option. So you can also create your video ads here by adding the video, adding some text. So all that editing becomes possible out here as well. As you can see, so the creative has been added, okay, the upload option. And then if you go to the create option, there you can go ahead and customize. So all types of video editing features, which you will get here. You can upload your video, add subtitles, music, all that can be done. You can generate a video as well with Smart Video, which is the AI tool which they have. This is second option. Same way, if you come to instant page is for lead form creation. We saw this in the lead gen campaign, which we created over there. So two ways of doing it. One is you can do it inside the campaign itself where you create an instant form, or else you can come to this section where you create the form separately, and then you can link it to a campaign. So the process remains the same. As per your requirement, you can choose any of these options and you can go ahead with that. So this is your instant form creation section as well, which you can use. The last is video editor. So in video editor, you can edit the videos with the video ads which you want to run. So those can be edited here. You can upload the video and then it will give you various tools to edit that, add effects to it, okay, text as well. All that you can do out here. As you can see, so this is where you can go ahead and add your video. And then you will get multiple features over here to add effects, transitions, audio, caption, all that can be added. And we can improve our video ad over here. And then you can run that on the TikTok ads platform. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now the creative section, which you get in the tools section of TikTok Ads Manager. Thank you guys for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.